Hello everyone, here it is all soldered up. Got the switch going to basically shorting across where the other switch was, which is now kind of permanently turned off. And I've got this push button switch going across where the other push button switch was. Let me see if I can get that in focus there. And I got the signals wired in. I know they're actually power, but they're essentially the signal. And I made a few mistakes here. I made two big mistakes. Number one, these wires here for the push button are way too long. I might even still cut those down yet. And but the way this is kind of wanting to fit in, it's looking like that might not be that big of a deal. I should pay better attention to where the camera's pointing. So I think it's double stick foam tape time here. And let me see, the other big mistake I made is I wired in all the easy connections, like these two wires and the power wires here, before I did the signals. And so the solder joints on these three wires, the black, white, and red going out to the phone jack, not the best soldering job in the world. In fact, pretty lousy actually. I kind of tested it mechanically and they were sticking, and I put the heat shrink over. And at this point, yeah, I mean, I'll check for continuity, but fingers crossed that it works. This was a little easier. You just kind of punch it down, insulation and all, into those blades. This one I had to strip the insulation off. It didn't want to get continuity. I checked continuity between all of those and the appropriate pins there. So that should be ready to go. So, well, let's get it all together and see if it works. Yeah, it's getting pretty clear I have quite a ways to go in this whole modding thing before I'm any kind of a master. Yeah, it doesn't work. Or actually, it does work, but it sparks in here. So these connectors and this kind of cable is not able to handle the power necessary. So I might have to pull it all apart and drop back and think of something else on this one. So until next time, the adventure continues.